guys, it's Dalya and welcome back to Training Flour. So today I'm going to teach you how to make apple wontons. They're so easy to make, very few ingredients, and they're quick to make too. So you can just whip them up and bring them to someone's house or serve them to your guest. In addition, if you're not already subscribed, scroll down and press the subscribe button because my goal is to reach 300 subscribers by the end of this week, and I know I can do it with your support. Let's get started. So to begin, I'm going to combine chopped apples, cinnamon, and sugar, and just mix this up. So now I'm going to take a wonton wrapper and place it down on my plate. I'm going to take 1 teaspoon of the apples and place it in the middle. Dip my finger in some water and run it around the sides, just so that it will stick together after. Then I'm going to go corner to corner and flip this over and pat each side down. Now I'm going to take a fork to make a pretty design here and to make sure it's all enclosed together. And flip it over and do the same thing. In a separate bowl, mix together sugar and cinnamon and then set it aside. Place a few wontons at a time into heated up oil and cook them for about 1 to 1.5 minutes on each side. Take a paper towel and press down onto the fried wontons to absorb any excess oils. Now, I have cinnamon and sugar mixture, and I'm going to place each hot wonton into it and just coat it. Thank you all so much for watching, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos every Monday. And if you're wondering, the full recipe is in the description box below. If you're on a computer, just scroll down and press the show more button. If you're on a phone, there will be a little gray arrow under the video and you can see the full recipe there. Thanks again for watching and have a great day and see you next week. Bye!